The World in Our Pockets, Smartphones and Modern Life, written by Walter Isaacson. Smartphones are now indispensable. They connect us, inform us, and entertain us. But how are these ubiquitous devices made? The journey from raw materials to a sleek, powerful gadget in your hand is a testament to global collaboration and technological prowess. We rely on them for work, communication, and entertainment. From the silicon heart to the vibrant display, each component undergoes a fascinating journey. Let's delve into the intricate world of smartphone manufacturing. A global dance, sourcing the building blocks. The creation of a smartphone is a global endeavor, involving a complex web of suppliers and manufacturers from every corner of the world. Each component, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the final product. Processors, the brains of the operation, often come from specialized facilities in the United States or Taiwan. These facilities are equipped with cutting-edge technology and staffed by highly skilled engineers who ensure that each processor meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. High-resolution displays might be manufactured in Japan or South Korea, known for their expertise in electronics. These countries have a long history of innovation in display technology, producing screens that are not only vibrant and clear, but also energy efficient and durable. Camera modules, with their intricate lenses and sensors, are often sourced from companies in Asia. These components are essential for capturing the high-quality images and videos that users expect from their smartphones. The precision and care that go into making these modules are a testament to the craftsmanship of the workers and the advanced technology used in their production. Batteries, crucial for powering these devices, are produced by specialized manufacturers worldwide. These batteries must be lightweight, long-lasting and safe, requiring a high level of expertise and stringent quality control measures. The development of battery technology is a continuous process, with manufacturers constantly seeking ways to improve performance and reduce environmental impact. The materials for casings, from aluminum to specialized glass, are also sourced globally. Aluminum provides a lightweight yet sturdy frame, while specialized glass offers durability and scratch resistance. These materials are carefully selected and processed to ensure that the smartphone is both aesthetically pleasing and resilient to everyday wear and tear. This global sourcing highlights the interconnectedness of the modern tech industry. Each component's journey from raw material to finished product involves multiple stages and numerous countries, reflecting a level of collaboration and coordination that is truly remarkable. Each component represents the pinnacle of engineering and manufacturing in its respective field. The culmination of this global effort is a device that fits in the palm of your hand, but embodies the collective expertise and innovation of countless individuals and organizations around the world. Silicon hearts and glass eyes, crafting key components. In the world of smartphones, every component plays a crucial role in delivering the seamless experience we often take for granted. Microchips, the tiny brains of smartphones, are marvels of miniaturization. These intricate pieces of technology are responsible for processing information, running applications, and ensuring smooth operation. Silicon wafers are etched with billions of transistors using photolithography, a process akin to developing photographs on a microscopic scale. This delicate procedure ensures that each transistor is perfectly placed to perform its function. Displays are equally impressive. Liquid crystal displays or organic light-emitting diode screens are created by layering different materials with incredible precision. Each layer has a specific role, from controlling light to displaying vibrant colors, making sure that the screen is both responsive and visually stunning. Camera modules, with their tiny lenses and sensors, demand meticulous assembly. These components capture the world around us in high definition, allowing for stunning photos and videos. The precision required in aligning each lens and sensor is paramount to achieving the desired image quality. These components are then tested rigorously for quality and performance. Each part undergoes a series of tests to ensure it meets the high standards required for modern smartphones. This includes stress tests, performance benchmarks, and quality checks. The production of these key components requires specialized knowledge, advanced machinery, and stringent quality control measures. From the initial design to the final assembly, every step is carefully monitored to ensure the highest quality. This meticulous process is what makes modern smartphones so reliable and efficient. The assembly line, where parts become phones. This is where the magic happens, transforming individual components into the sleek devices we use every day. The assembly of a smartphone takes place in sophisticated factories equipped with state-of-the-art technology and machinery. Automated robots and skilled technicians work in tandem, ensuring each part is precisely placed and assembled. First, the motherboard, often referred to as the phone's nervous system, is populated with essential components. This is a critical step in the assembly process. Tiny resistors, capacitors and other electronic components are meticulously placed onto the motherboard. High-precision machines ensure that each component is placed with incredible accuracy, down to the smallest detail. The display, which is the window to the phone's interface, is then carefully mounted onto the frame. This step requires both precision and care. Cameras are installed and aligned, ensuring they capture sharp and clear images. This involves both mechanical precision and software calibration. The battery, a crucial power source, is added next. This is followed by attaching the phone's casing, which protects all the internal components. Each step in the assembly process is meticulously planned and executed to ensure efficiency and precision. From start to finish, the journey of a smartphone from parts to a fully functional device is a marvel of modern engineering. The power within. Batteries and safety. Smartphone batteries are marvels of energy storage. Lithium-ion batteries with their high energy density are the standard. These batteries are carefully assembled and tested. Safety is paramount. Overheating or damage can have serious consequences. Manufacturers employ rigorous testing protocols to ensure battery reliability and prevent hazards. The battery management system, a combination of hardware and software, regulates charging, discharging, and overall battery health. A symphony of software breathing life into the machine, making it functional. Once the hardware is meticulously assembled, the phone receives its software. This operating system, often Android or iOS, is the soul of the device, giving it purpose. It manages everything from the touchscreen to the phone's applications. The software is installed and tested to ensure seamless operation. Calibration procedures fine-tune the display, touchscreen responsiveness, and other sensors. Testing, ensuring quality and performance. Before a smartphone reaches consumers, it undergoes rigorous testing. These tests simulate real-world usage scenarios. Buttons are pressed thousands of times. The touchscreen is subjected to various pressures and gestures. The phone is dropped from controlled heights to ensure durability. Software is put through its paces to identify and rectify any bugs or glitches. Only after passing these stringent tests is the smartphone deemed ready for packaging and distribution. Dressed for success. Packaging and presentation. The final stage involves packaging the smartphone and its accessories. This seemingly simple step is crucial for branding and user experience. The box, often sleek and minimalist, houses the phone, charger and documentation. The unboxing experience is designed to be enjoyable and memorable. It's the first physical interaction a consumer has with the device, setting the stage for their overall ownership experience. From factory floor to your fingertips. A global journey. The creation of a smartphone is a testament to human ingenuity and global collaboration. From the mines that yield raw materials to the sophisticated factories where these materials are transformed, the process involves countless individuals across continents. The next time you hold a smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the intricate journey it has undertaken. It's a product of global teamwork, technological innovation, and meticulous craftsmanship. The future in our hands, innovation and beyond. The evolution of smartphones is relentless. New materials, faster processors, and more sophisticated software are constantly being developed. Foldable screens, fifth-generation connectivity, and augmented reality are just a glimpse of what the future holds. As technology progresses, so too will the manufacturing processes behind these devices. One thing remains certain: the smartphone, in its ever-evolving forms, will continue to shape the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting facts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos.